Assalamu alaikum. Now we just talk about the another methods that is very useful in list. Okay, so I just write here methods of list. Okay, so first of all I am going to write main function here, and now I just take a list of integers. So here I just write numbers that I just 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, I store 5 numbers in single variable that the name is list. Okay, so now I want to convert this to map, so you can use for this number. I just want to front it. Okay, so numbers dot map. Okay, is map. Okay, so you can convert that as a map. Okay, so it is also very useful. You can see here it returns a map integer of the key is also integer and value is also integer. So the integer key is will be index of these numbers. So here you can see 0 index hold this 1. Okay, and the 1 index hold this 1, this 2. Okay, so now you can see this this is converted to map. Okay, so if you want to uh, convert to list, so you can do it. Okay, so you can do it that convert map is to list. Okay, so you can use this is map for converting to list to map. Okay, so you can also use join method to join these all values. Okay, you can also join these values. Okay, so now you can see here these all values is joined. Okay, and also this is optional parameter, you can use separator. Okay, I use space for separation. Okay, so you can also do it. Okay, so if you want to convert this list to set. Okay, so you can use to set method. Okay, if I write here to set, okay, so it will be converted to set. Here you can see this curly braces is used for set. Okay, so you can convert it also. Okay, so this is a simple concept. So I hope you will understand this concept, and see you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.